Excel users, this one's for you. I've picked the best laptops with number pads, from budget to business and beyond. These are built for speed, comfort, and serious number crunching. Let's find out which one fits your workflow best. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. It's not just a laptop, it's the kind of machine that turns spreadsheets into something that feels almost elegant. From the moment you open it, the 16-inch 3K OLED display pulls you in. Crisp lines, vibrant cells, and the smooth rhythm of 120 Hz scrolling that makes Excel feel alive beneath your fingertips. This isn't just power, it's poise. The Intel Core Ultra 7 and 32 GB of RAM glide through data like silk. You switch sheets, pivot tables, charts. It all flows without hesitation. The number pad isn't just there, it's perfectly integrated for those who live in formulas where every tap counts. And when you fold it into tablet mode, it becomes something else entirely, a creative workstation that still respects the precision an analyst demands. Of course, no story is perfect. The premium build comes with a price, and that ultra-thin design trades a little in port variety, but what you gain is worth it. Silence, speed, and style that feels years ahead. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 isn't just for Excel users, it's for those who master numbers and want their tools to keep up with their mind. Next, the Lenovo Yoga 7i. It's the kind of laptop that doesn't just crunch numbers, it flows with them. From the first tap on that backlit number pad to the soft glide of the 2K touchscreen, everything feels designed for clarity and calm focus. The aluminum body catches light like a quiet reflection of its purpose. Balanced, reliable, and ready. Powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 7 and paired with 16 GB of DDR5 memory, it handles massive Excel sheets without hesitation. You open 10 tabs, filter data, render charts, all in perfect silence. And the flexibility, that's where it wins hearts. Fold it into tent mode during presentations or flip it flat for brainstorming. It adapts just as fast as your workflow does. There's a quiet confidence in the Yoga 7i. It doesn't shout specs, it shows consistency. The display brings numbers to life with sharp contrast, while the keyboard feels crafted for those who spend hours perfecting every cell. It's not flawless, its slim frame sacrifices a bit of cooling power, but what it gives back is balance, fluid performance, and a design that respects your time. Now, the Dell Inspiron 15. It's the quiet workhorse in this lineup, built not to impress at first glance, but to earn your trust over time. That familiar matte black finish, the steady hum of reliability. This is the kind of laptop that feels like an old friend in a new suit. The 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen gives your Excel workspace the breathing room it deserves. Every chart, every cell, every formula sits right where it should. Sharp, clean, effortless. Beneath it, the Intel i5 processor and a generous 32 GB of RAM handle your daily grind with calm precision. Whether you're deep in data models, flipping between tabs, or running presentations, it simply gets the job done. And the numeric keypad? It's a real advantage. Comfortable, well-spaced, and perfect for fast input when numbers are your second language. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's its strength. While others chase the spotlight, the Inspiron 15 delivers consistency, battery endurance, and stability. For Excel users who value simplicity, durability, and trust over trends, the Dell Inspiron 15 stands as a grounded reminder that performance doesn't always need to shout to be felt. Up next, the HP Envy 17AI. This isn't just a laptop, it's a statement piece for those who live in numbers but think like creators. The massive 17.3-inch Full HD touchscreen feels like a digital canvas, wide, bright, and immersive. Every Excel sheet breathes with space, every column stretches without constraint. It's the kind of view that makes long hours feel lighter. Underneath that polished exterior beats the heart of an Intel Ultra 7 with 16 cores, a machine that doesn't slow down no matter how heavy the data. With 64 GB of RAM and a 2 TB SSD, it's built for analysts, business owners, and professionals who need power that never flinches. The backlit keyboard and full number pad feel sculpted for productivity. Each keystroke deliberate, confident, almost musical. And when AI enhancements kick in for tasks and optimizations, it feels like the laptop is thinking with you, not against you. It's big, bold, and unapologetically premium. Sure, its size trades portability for presence, but that's exactly the point. The HP Envy 17AI isn't just for Excel users. It's for those who lead with precision and expect their machine to keep pace with their ambition. Finally, the ASUS Vivobook S15. It feels like the future wrapped in silver. Sleek, silent, impossibly smooth. This is where performance meets calm focus. The 15.6-inch 3K OLED display glows with clarity, turning even dense Excel spreadsheets into something almost cinematic. Numbers shimmer with life, charts pop with contrast, and scrolling through data feels effortless at 120 Hz. Powered by the new Snapdragon X Elite processor, this Copilot Plus PC brings something different: intelligence that learns how you work. It predicts your flow, manages your power, and keeps everything instant, even on battery. Paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, it's a silent multitasking machine that handles heavy work without breaking rhythm. Typing on the Vivobook S15 feels natural. The backlit keyboard is crisp, and the number pad is where it belongs. Responsive, fast, intuitive. It's lightweight yet confident, minimal yet powerful. It's a new generation chip, and some older apps may take a moment to catch up, but that's the trade for tomorrow's technology today. In the end, every laptop here tells its own story. Each one was chosen for precision, comfort, and the confidence to master every number that matters. So whichever you choose, pick the one that matches your rhythm. Because in the world of Excel, speed and clarity aren't just tools, they're your advantage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More honest, human tech stories are coming your way.